Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. August 6, 2025, 63 years of independence. But the question is, are Jamaicans truly free? Or are we still shackled, just in invisible chains? From crime to corruption, IMF debts to brain drain, have we broken free or just changed masters? This Independence Day, we dig deep beneath the colors of black, green, and gold. When we hear independence, we think of Emancipation Park, national heroes, the anthem, the flag. But independence must be more than ceremonial speeches and fireworks. True independence means self-sufficiency, self-governance, and self-determination. So, where does Jamaica stand? Our parliament may be Jamaican, but are our laws truly ours? Did you know we still recognize the British monarch as head of state? We still depend on loans from the IMF and World Bank. Our economy still bleeds out as we import more than we export. And many of our most talented youths, they are migrating. Ask yourself, who owns our supermarkets, our hotels, our banks, even our beaches? From downtown Kingston to Montego Bay, it's foreign investors who reap the profits, while locals struggle to survive. And the Jamaican worker paid in Jamaican dollars, while the economy dances to the rhythm of the US dollar. This isn't just economics, it's modern dependency, dressed in neoliberal fashion. We wave the flag, but are we building our own wealth? What about our democracy? Are we independent in thought and governance? Or are our politicians more loyal to international bodies than the people who elect them? When laws are passed, policies change, and national assets sold, is it for Jamaica's benefit or to please overseas interests? We receive aid, yes, but often with strings attached. Our vote on the international stage is bargained, not free. That's not independence. That's negotiation under pressure. Marcus Garvey once said, "Emancipate yourself from mental slavery." But ask yourself, what fills our TV screens, our radios, our minds? American news, British music, foreign influencers. We even bleach our skin to look more acceptable to Western eyes. That's not freedom, that's psychological colonization. Our independence won't mean much to us until we own our identity, support our creative, protect our language, and uplift our culture without apology. But don't get it twisted. All hope is not lost. There's a new generation of Jamaicans rising. Young people reclaiming agriculture, building tech, investing in local products, and demanding accountability. Diaspora Jamaicans are returning home, not just to party, but to invest and uplift. Independence is not a destination. It's a fight, a mindset, a daily commitment to take back what's ours. And every Jamaican who builds, teaches, mentors, or resists is part of that movement. So, on this 63rd Independence Day, ask yourself, are we truly independent or just decorative captives in a global system? Jamaica doesn't need to wait for permission to be free. We need to own our land, own our minds, and own our destiny. Independence is not a holiday, It's a responsibility. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. But remember, the real celebration begins when we no longer need to ask this question.